Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna unbox the Insta360 X5 BMW edition. I have been dying to try it because promise insane video quality, powerful stabilization, and a bunch of new creative modes. So let's see if it lives the hype. Wow, this feels premium and it's about like 200 grams. And more in the box we will find around like USB cable, it has some documentations, some stickers if you want to use it anywhere. We're gonna keep it side because we don't need any of that. Okay, nothing else in the box. It has a pouch, like if you want to carry it anywhere. Okay, here it's the type C to C cable. Now let's see the camera. It has a 6 mm dual lens setup with a f2.0 aperture. There's around 1 upon 1.28 inch sensor, which is bigger than most of the other cameras. I mean action cam. And hopefully it has a better dynamic range and sharper details. See the build quality as well. It also has a 1/4 inch mounting point. Is the battery, and this battery is the ultra battery. There is one standard battery and this one is ultra one. For the videos, it shoots up to 8K at 30 fps and also supports 5.7K at up to 60 fps. And for the 4K, it offers 120 fps for the smooth slow-mo. And when you switch to the single lens, it shoots up to 4K 60 fps. Here's the remote that came with this limited edition. You can buy this one separate if you don't have the limited edition. For the photos, you will get around 72 megapixel when you shoot that photos from 360 degree. And for the single lens, it shoots around 18 megapixel.
No SD.
And at the end, I'm gonna post some clips at the end of the video so you can see how it looks. And thank you for watching till here. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. And drop any question if you have any.